So you see this pattern here right now, right? We've got this bit. This is the pattern here for bullish setups, and this is the pattern here now for bearish setups. And this is the number one pattern that I've been using now for the last 20 years. Over the last 20 years, I've traded every single different approach and systems and swing trading and testing and so on and so forth. And there is one simple pattern. This is one simple pattern, what I like to call the L-shaped pattern. Now, what is the L-shaped pattern? Let me bring this up here. The L-shaped pattern is this. The L-shaped pattern is when the market goes down a little bit and then goes across. See how it looks like an L-shaped pattern? Or this is for the bearish side or for the bullish side. And this is what I want to teach you in today's trading. I want to walk you through step by step what this pattern is. And this is the foundation of what's helped me over the last 20 years. And you can start to apply this to every single market out there. And that's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's session. So let's get straight into it now. So I want to, again, this whole video here is to help you and teach you exactly what is the number one pattern you can look out for when you start to identify this. You can even go test this on your charts, right? Go back and look at this, and you'll be able to see what happens afterwards. And so basically, here's basically what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for what's called the L-shaped pattern. In fact, I'll start with this one here. And because this is the best, this is probably the most easiest one for you to understand, which is what? The L-shaped pattern, right? Which what? We have a move down, and then we either have a flat move sideways or we have a slight move up. See, it looks like an L-shaped pattern. So here's the thing. Really, 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 really simple. For me personally, when I'm trading the markets, I trade the markets every single day. And guess what I'm looking for? I'm looking for this number one pattern. And what am I looking for? I'm just looking for the L-shape. I'm looking for the market to go down a little bit, and then I'm looking for the market to go sideways. That is the foundations. That is literally the foundations of what I'm actually looking for when it comes to an amazing quality setup. And then all I'm looking for is what? Then all I'm looking for is I'm looking for some sort of large bar coming down like that. That gives me a really, really, really good, what's called an entry signal, and then we're likely to start to move down. But I'll get to that in just a minute. So the whole pattern really is this. Really, really, really simple, but it's very, very, very powerful. This helps me get over a 90% win-loss ratio with my trading, and I've traded all different types of markets here, right? So basically what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the market to go down, then I'm looking for the market to go, look, see the L-shaped pattern, right? Down, across. And then I'm looking for what? And then I'm looking for some sort of red candle on the downside. And this is now the trigger to say we're now likely to have a follow through on the downside. Remember, we're looking for high probability trading setups. And this is now for the bullish side, right? Which is for the upside. Check this out. Really, really, really simple. My number one trading pattern that I use every single day in the markets. I absolutely love this pattern. It's so amazing. Now, this is the upside down L-shaped pattern, right? So the L-shaped pattern is like that. And then guess what? And then the upside down L-shaped pattern is what? When the market goes up, sideways. See that there? Look at this here. Up and then sideways. And then I'm looking for some sort of a breakout candle like that. And then guess what? Then we're now likely to see a move up. Let me show you some examples of what this looks like really on the chart here, right? So here's a trade that I did. This was on the S&P 500. Look at this here. Up. See the L-shaped pattern? And look at this here, breakaway candle. And look what happened. Very, very, very big move up, right? I can go through any of these things. Look at this one right here. I can go through all of these. These are different trades that I've taken. Look at this here. Up. See that there? And guess what? Very, very, very big. See the upside down L-shaped pattern? This one is what? This one is actually on Bitcoin. What is this one here? It's the what? It's the down, across, and look at here, and then we had a nice move down. This is for the bearish setups, remember? Here's another example through here. What am I looking for? I'm looking for what? The L-shaped pattern. I'm telling you right now, traders, once you start to really understand this is the one pattern I look for every single day. Why? Because it works. Look at this here. Down, L-shaped pattern, and then guess what? Bam, we get a really nice move down. Here's another example here. Now, this is for the bullish side. Look at this here. Strong up. See the upside down L-shaped pattern? And then we see that breakaway bar? Bam, that's the entry there. And then guess what ends up happening? That there turns into that there, right? That's the exact same thing. Up, L-shaped pattern, large bar, and then we get what? We get a follow through. For trading, guess what? We're looking for massively high probability trading setups that can give us what? Give us a high probability of generating a really nice income. Let's continue here. Now let's go over to the stock market. This one here was on the Forex market. This is on the S&P 500. Now let's go to the stock market. What is this one here? Check this out, right? All through here, down, across. See that there? What is that? The L-shaped pattern, and then we get a nice follow through, right? Remember, we're looking for trading opportunities that we can get in and get out. Sometimes within a couple of bars, sometimes in maybe a week or two, right? Depending on the actual time frame itself. Check this one out. This one here was what? This one here was the Forex market. Down, across, breakaway candle. Guess what? That breakaway candle is that candle right there. See, it's the exact same thing, right? Down, across, breakaway candle, and look at that move down, right? I literally can go on and on and on. Look at this one here. What is this one? Strong up, upside down L shape, and a follow through. Again, like I can go on. I can show you dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of examples. Here's another example through here. You can see, look at this here, down, sideways, and then a very big drop to the downside, right? I can go through, look at all these different examples here. Here's another example through here. Right, and as you can see, I've got dozens. This is an upside down L-shaped pattern. Remember, there's only two, right? There's the L-shaped pattern, and then there's the upside down L-shaped pattern. What is this one here? Look at that there. See that there? Upside down L-shaped pattern, breakaway candle. Guess what? Follow through. And again, as you can see, this is I got literally dozens or hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of screenshots through here. Right? Look at this one here. This one down, across, upside down, or this is the L-shaped pattern. So look at this here. See the L-shaped pattern? And then we break out. This works phenomenally well on every single market. Here is what? The stock market. You see what I'm saying here? Like, this works so well. It is absolutely the best trading pattern out there. Here is now another trading setup. This is what? Upside down L-shaped pattern. Again, look at this here. Look at all these screenshots here that I can show you here, right? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of screenshots, right? You can see this here working again and again and again and again. Like, look at this here, right? What is this one, right? We have a move up, we have sideways, and then we have another move to the upside, right? This one here, look at this one, right? So as you can look at this is screenshot number 157. I can go, see how simple this is, right? This is so simple that anyone can do this. Here's another example here, right? Screenshots. Here's another one here. What is this one here? That's actually very hard to see, isn't it? Look there. But look at this here. What is this one? Up, L-shaped pattern, breakaway candle, right? What is this one here? What is this one? Up, upside down L-shaped pattern, and then we get a nice follow through. So I hope you can see what I'm looking through here. And here's what I want to do right now. This is the foundations of what I call my perfect setup. But I do have a step-by-step criteria and a step-by-step checklist of what I'm actually looking for when it actually comes down to me actually trading this. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want to actually teach you step by step every single thing about this trading system. And so this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreetraining.com, or there should be a link. Should be a link in the description there. I want you to click on that. And I want you to go over to this page here right now, and I want you to click on yes, I want to learn this system. See the system here? That's literally 80% of what I look for. But also I apply one simple moving average. And I tell you exactly where to enter, where to put your stop loss, how to maximize your profits, cut your losses short. And I'm going to teach you, this is here. For the last 20 years, I've spent $355,876 testing out 64 different trading systems, approaches, methods, mentorships, live trading room subscriptions. And there's one simple trading system that generates over 90% success rate. You actually learned the foundations, right? You saw how many, look at this here. Let me go back to this here. Look how many screenshots I got here. This is 165, 166, right? What is this, right? So I hope you can see, guys, like, if you're struggling with the trading right now, it's because you're guessing. Let's see, up, L-shaped pattern, and we get a nice follow through for what? For a really good trading opportunity. So this is what I want you to do right now. Go to John's Free Training, and I want you to actually join my next training. And on that free training, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step by step. In fact, I'm going to teach you the exact 3 secrets. The first secret is the one thing I had to learn to go from $250,000 in debt to making money. They're going to teach you literally step by step. You'll see this trading pattern here. That's 80% of what you need to know. Then I'm going to wrap it around with a simple step-by-step checklist, rules, and everything. And then also, I'm going to show you how I scan the markets, scan over 3,000 markets to help me find these trades. And so I can have all my trading done in literally half an hour, maybe an hour maximum per day. So this is what I want you to do right now. If you can see how this works and you like this and you want to get a full step by step, I'm going to teach you everything for free on this. So after the event, after the event, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step all the different trade examples so that you can start to apply this to your trading today. So I want you to go to johnsfreetraining.com, or there should be a button around this in the description. Click on that. Click on this here right now and go join my next free training. Go to that right now. I'm doing this because I'm doing this for a very short period of time. Then I'm closing out. So go to that right now, guys, because I don't know how many spots are left for my next free training. So go to that right now, guys. Go to John's Free Training and go join this here. And I promise you, I'll show you every single thing about this system so you can start to apply this in your own trading today.